Okay, lovies, here we have a wireless charging pad. Excuse the stuff on my vanity, but we have a wireless charging pad right here from a company on Amazon.com. I will leave all their information down below in the description box. The name of the company, I think, is OnePlus Inc. or iPlus Inc. So yeah, this charging pad is from them, and this is what it looks like. It comes with a USB cord. You're gonna need a USB charger or a computer to plug your cord into in order to charge your phone. So what this does is once you plug it up, it's gonna turn green, but once I lay my phone on it, it's gonna turn blue. So it instructs you to wait until it turns green before you put your phone down on it. This charging pad is only compatible with certain phones, which includes Samsung Galaxies S6, 7, 8, and 9, Nokia 1020, 1520, HTC One E9, LG G Pro, Nexus 4, 5, 6, and 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, and it says etc. So, definitely look thoroughly through the phones that this charger does support before you purchase it. I mean, you don't want to purchase it and then it doesn't support your phone. If you don't see your phone listed, always contact the company to see, whether or not this charging pad will support your phone before you purchase it. And I will leave the link to this charging pad down below, and all of that good stuff. Like, as soon as I put my phone on it, it automatically turns blue and starts charging my phone. And it's supposed to charge fairly fast. As you can see, it says fast charger on the top. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to insert a clip in this video as well. And you guys, I also forgot to show you all these that they put in there as well. And thank you so much, iPlus Inc., for including these as well. But these are some Fixate gel pads, and supposedly you are able to stick anything to these up to when I was reading the information on the back, you are able to also stick like small stereos to these. So they are fairly strong. They say it is pretty easy to take them down. You don't have to worry about them affecting your walls. Also, it says if they collect dust or anything like that, it's easy to rinse them off with cool water, and they can be reused. So I'm definitely going to be using these as well. So yeah, but they are made of nano rubber pad. So yeah, it says strong absorption ability. Everything can stick. As you can see right here where it says even a small stereo. So yeah, that's shocking. Me personally, I won't be sticking a small stereo to these because I would be fairly scared if it falls and breaks. So yeah, but definitely check these out as well. I'm gonna try to find the link to these as well to put down in the description box so you lovers can check these out. And like I said, all information will be in the description bar. If you have any questions for me, do comment down below. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick, simple review of this wireless charging pad, which is awesome because you don't have to worry about like I know me personally, I love being on my phone. I have a habit of being on my phone while I charge it, and which I've went through a number of chargers from doing that because it wears the charger out. So with this, it definitely comes in handy because you can just put your your phone on the charger as much as you want and then just take it off if, you know, when you're ready. So, and you don't have to worry about a cord dragging and this, that, and the other. So yeah. Hope you lovers enjoyed this video, and do stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.